Do you know who am I? I am Santa. I am Santa. Merry Christmas. Hello kids and welcome back to Navya and ojaswi channel. So December has been coming and you know that Christmas is coming on 25th December and 25th December is going to come. Today is 23, then tomorrow is 24, then after 24 it will be 25th. So then it's Christmas. You all know that. So I have this is a very new video that you have never seen it, but we have to. I will do in the middle a Christmas tree. Side of that I will do a Santa, and beside the Christmas tree a snowman. Okay, and we are not going to draw a house, but I can draw a small house. Or even now you can draw a big house. Fine. So let's start. This is my old board in Navya. So before is my Hyderabad board and this is Navya board. So I can't keep it anywhere else in Hyderabad. So I thought that I'll keep it on the board. And I'm sitting on the sofa. So let's start with our Christmas tree. We will draw a Christmas tree with slanting lines and with some tree. This side. First we will draw these things. Can you see? Then we will join it like this. Can you see? This is looking like the triangle has a fluffy legs, and this is the triangle. It is just again draw a straight line, then draw ulta tree. Just keep moving your hand. You just need to draw it on a board. You can even draw it on a what is that called? Drunk. It is little kharab over here. Now let me fix it. Yes. Let me make it a little. Oh my! It is going like sliding, right? Huh? Do you see that? It is going. Oh my! It is not getting that. Let me the Christmas tree. It is going wobbly, but it is okay because I'm just showing for drawing. If you want to draw a bigger one, you can. I'm also drawing a big. You have to just join them. I'll just make some slanting lines and I'll make some of them for me. Well, can you see my Christmas tree? It is sticky. Above this we are drawing it is just a muscle one. You can ask your parents to draw that even. Can you see it looking like this? Now we have just draw the last one, that is a bigger one, slanting line, and we cut trees. Christmas tree. After we are done raising, we will draw the Santa. Man first. First we will draw a big hill for the Santa to. Let's draw the Santa with the orange color because the red color is not working. So let's draw it again. So, do you remember the steps, right? So I remember steps always. So we'll start from here and make like cucumber. After we are done drawing like cucumber, we'll make the hat like this. After we are done doing this, we will draw the face like this. And make two circles and color them inside. After that make eyebrows for the Santa. Is he looking funny? Is he looking funny? He is looking funny. So let's draw the nose, because the nose was raised like this myself. That's why when I drawed it, it was not working like that. Okay. Like this, then like this. This is another way. You just need to draw like this, then curve. Okay. Is he looking funny? Is he looking funny? Is he looking funny? He is looking funny. Now let's draw the mustache. Mustache. Like a daddy has a mustache. Some daddies has the mustache like this, and some daddy has some dots over here. Let's draw mustache. Oopsie, I forgot that first we'll draw both the sides. That's why I forgot. We'll start from the nose. Okay, let's start from the nose. I'm trying it my own board, old board. That's why. This is the mustache. He is looking very funny, right? He's looking funny. Let's draw the mouth and let's see how it looks. It's looking funny. Now let's draw this. What is that called? Where the old man has. Okay. We'll draw one like this. Then we'll draw a big C. Inside that we'll draw a small C. Then we'll draw like this, and then we'll make it like this. Then we'll make it like the front, and then I'll join this monkey. This is the funniest Santa. So let's draw the hands and the legs. Come on. He is Motu. His name is Motu. But I don't know. I am wearing a Santa hat. Can you see this Santa picture? So this is the Santa. See. It is doing ho 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 ho. Okay. First we'll make a circle. First we'll make a circle. After that we'll draw like this. Then after we have done that, we'll make the snowman wearing this. After we are done, we'll make the eyes, and then can you see my two Santas? They are looking pretty. The girl is riding a scooter and she's wearing a Christmas hat. So, hello kids and welcome back to Navya channel. So, with the sing of Count 3, we'll sing the song Jingles and we'll start dancing. In count of 3, we'll start singing jingles and start dancing. In 5, in 4, and in 3, in 1, in 2, and 1. Let's start. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. How and find this to ride a one-off hop away. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. How and find this to ride a one-off hop away. Hey, jingle bells,